An IP address, short for Internet Protocol Address, is the unique numerical label assigned to every internet-connected device. From your laptop to smart toys and IoT gadgets, it's how devices locate and talk to each other across networks. There are two standards, IPv4, which supports about 4 billion addresses, and IPv6, which vastly expands capacity to accommodate trillions more, keeping pace with today's explosive growth in connected devices. A public IP is your gateway to the internet, usually your router's address assigned by your ISP. Meanwhile, private IPs are given to devices inside your home or office network, managed locally by the router. IP addresses can be static, manually set and fixed, or dynamic, where your router automatically assigns a new one each session using DHCP, keeping things flexible and efficient. Knowing your IP type matters. Your public IP can reveal your general location and potentially become a target. To protect yourself, consider using a VPN, proxy, dynamic IP option, NAT firewall, or simply resetting your modem to change your address. IP addresses are the invisible addresses behind every online connection. Understanding them helps keep your digital world running smoothly and securely.